cute family.
I don't know if you can see the chickies.
I don't think I want to see it before lunch.
There's a little baby under the mom.
Oh, I see the egg, yeah.
I don't know if this will come out.
Oh
It's
man,
really
just
dark.
that you weren't here earlier when it was regurgitating it.
No, but I saw it this morning.
But
That
this one was
green stuff
gross.
that came out of it.
This one was really gross.
Do something interesting.
Is it the mom? The one over it?
Yeah, that's the mom. And that's the dad.
Why is the dad yelling at him? Leave him
What
alone.
are we doing? Oh, they're
Oh, they're
switching.
switching.
How cute.
Oh my god. That's so cute. They're taking breaks.
Can the dad regurgitate too?
I'm sure he can.
Oh, oh,
Oh.
oh.
It's getting
He's gonna get crushed.
Jeff is taking over.
Ugh.
The dad is definitely really awkward.
He is.
Now he has a pipe in his face.
At least he can put his feet through that hole.
The bread.
What? Something smells like Chinese food, though.
It's Sarah's Korean sorbol.
Oh yeah, see, that's
Oh,
not
there's the egg.
comfortable.
Oh, look at the other broken
He
egg.
like squashed it. I think the dad's trying to warm the egg, not the baby, right?
They keep smashing the baby.
Oh my god, that's
That's
like
not-
in your
Why
face.
you-
That cannot be comfortable.
At least there's that little hole he could put his beak through.
I know.
That's not comfortable.
Why does he
Just
face
turn
the
I
other
know.
way?
I know. Men.
They're not very smart.